Alright, I'm just gonna do a tour of my room, pretty much. So, um, this is for a specific person. I'm not gonna say their name just for privacy reasons, but, here we go. So, I'm just gonna start out with my, computer area. You can see the indicator lights, obviously, and then the really crappy operating system my computer has, Windows Vista. And yeah, got the sidebar enabled. If this'll, there we go. You can see CPU and RAM meter and the calendar, then all the programs I have. I'll actually restart my computer just so you can hear what it sounds like. There we go. The dreaded Windows Vista. This thing takes so long to start up, it's ridiculous. But I guess that's what you can expect for 4 gigabytes of RAM and a really slow hard drive. Alright, and now log in to mine. I'm not going to show my password, so I'll just put it right here for now. Okay, my password's in. Hang on. Cancel. Heard the unlock sound. And then it'll pop up some notification saying you are a victim of software counterfeiting because this copy of Windows is not genuine. Oh, freak you, Welcome Center. Look at all this crap. Windows Dream Scene content. Alright. So yeah. Yeah, you can see all the stuff right there. Feel, there we go. It's currently 7 o'clock at night. The dreaded Windows Vista. And that's the sound my fan makes. If I don't know if you guys heard that or not, but it sounds like it's going really bad. Yeah. I guess next what I'll start with is what we'll do next is go over some more stuff I have in here. I'm not going to go over the clothes on my floor, obviously, but you can see I have a speaker system that I had to put together because the speaker that was originally in here, the wires just broke off of it. So, and then here's my primary alarm clock. It reminds me I should set the alarm because I have to wake up tomorrow. But yeah, My room's a mess. Obviously, I really probably shouldn't be showing you this, but this is my closet. It's it's very messy. Yeah, it's a clock up there. Then wow, that was really. And you can see how close I am to my ceiling fan. This is ridiculous. I'm like 5'9", and my ceiling fan's only like maybe a foot above my head. Yeah. There's some more electronics by my laptop, my lamp, and then I'm using my brand new tablet to record. It has a very terrible camera, but it works. Yeah, there's a little audio center thing right there that I bought from DI for about $5. Pretty good deal. Oh, that's pretty much it. So thank you guys very much for watching, and have a great day.